I'm Bubba from the Bubba Rock Meat Company. Today we're doing chicken wings in the Ninja Foodie air fryer. We're going to be using the peppered up season and the hickory seasoning. This is how I do it. I just take my knife and I just barely break the skin. It's not necessary. This is what I do. Okay, next, take a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add my hickory spice. Since I'm a spice junkie, I season them heavily. You can season how you want to. I'm going to add some peppered up seasoning to them. Then I'm going to toss. Get all that seasoning mixed up, get that little bit of olive oil around on your chicken wings. Okay, that's all there is to it, folks. I'll bring you back once our air fryer preheats, and I'll show you what I do next. Alright, it's time to add our chicken wings to our Ninja air fryer. In about 20 minutes, I'll bring you back and I'll show you the finished product. Alright, our wings are done. I'm going to get them out and show you the finished product, folks. Here you go. Air fried chicken wings, done with the hickory and peppered up. Enjoy. Have a good one.